Phiestina PH-CBR100 106 can beverage cooler, stainless steel door with handle. When you're the host, no matter the occasion, cold beverages are a must. You can't expect your fridge to accommodate both the food and the drinks, so the best solution is to invest in a cooler like Phiestina PH-CBR100. Some claim it's the best freestanding beverage center available. However, it should be worth a closer look. Its compact stainless steel design and its lower dimensions compared to the above models make it easy to find a place for it. The compressor cooling technology makes it quiet and energy efficient. The blue LED lights add to its style and comes in handy when you're reaching out for a cold drink in the middle of the night. It's up to you to decide how cold the drinks should be. You can easily adjust the temperature between 38 degrees Fahrenheit and 50 degrees Fahrenheit with the digital controls and monitor it with the help of the LCD screen. PH-CBR100 has black wire shelves that let you fill it with ease and allow you to store anything you wish from beer and soda cans to wine bottles.